you want to look cute but there's no time? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different easy but cute hairstyles that will make you feel beautiful when there's no time. Don't forget to share this video with someone that never has time so she can also have quick and easy hairstyle ideas to feel beautiful. Which of these hairstyles is your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. Now, if you have short hair and you want to see hairstyles done in short hair, then click in the video in the corner because I have a video that is perfect for you. Now, I know that sometimes the issue is that we don't have time to wash our hair and we don't know what to do. If that sounds like you, go watch my video of hairstyles that I do from clean to oily hair that you can easily recreate on yourself. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end. Now, don't forget to like this video and subscribe in case you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!